Hi, you're welcome. My name is CJ Emmanuel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create blog posts with your GDI blog, or how to use your GDI blog. As an affiliate of GDI, whether affiliate or not affiliate, as long as you're using the GDI platform, you can use your blog, because every GDI affiliate has a blog. That is the $10 you pay. You can use your GDI blog to create any post you like, any amount of posts you like, okay? Just like you use your normal blog. Our team is known as the Action Power Team. We have a very strong team led by Darius Edwards, okay? So when you log into your GDI account, the next thing is scroll down and come to WordPress and more. Click it. Okay, to bring it to this section, scroll down, come here. This is your GDI blog. Okay, you click edit. Then it will take you to your GDI WordPress login page. You log in. It's your GDI username and your GDI password. Okay, and that is it. You are logged into your WordPress account, GDI WordPress account, so you can make your post. For those of you that already know how to use WordPress, I don't need to show you how to make your post here. You already know how to use WordPress. Okay, you can install other plugins to help you. Those of you that are professionals, you know what to do. But for people that haven't used WordPress before, I will advise you go to YouTube, search on how to create a post with WordPress, how to create a website with WordPress. Just search around, get to learn from the YouTube videos. But for now, I'm going to show you briefly how to make your post on WordPress. Okay, briefly. So once you are here, what you should do is you click posts. Okay, highlight posts. Just click this add new. Okay, once you click add new, it will bring you to this section. You put your post title, and then you put your contents. Okay, you copy your contents or you type your contents here, and that is it. That is all. That is how to do it. But I'm going to show you, I'm going to open an already arranged content and give you further explanation on how to do. I think that will give you more insight on what to do. So let me just open an already written post, and I will just give you some brief explanation. I just have only 2 posts here. This is the last one I did. I'm going to open it. Okay, we are here now. This is the post I've made already. This is my blog title, or my post title. Then these are my write-up. Aside from posting the text, for you to put an image, you click here, add media. Okay, once you are here, you click upload file. That's from your computer. But if you uploaded files before, it will be at the gallery here, media library. But if it's a new image you want to upload, you click upload file, you click select file, and then you go to your computer and go to where the image is, where you save the image, click it, and then you click open. Once you click open, it will appear here and highlighted. You highlight it, and then you click insert into post. Immediately it will display here. That is how to add image. Now these links, this right up here is a clickable link. Even the image is a clickable link. For you to edit this image, you just click it a bit and do as if you are dragging it. It will be highlighted like this. You click insert on edit link, then you put your affiliate link. This is my affiliate link. You put it here, and then you click here, open link in a new window. This enables anyone that goes to your site, as soon as they click the image, it will open in another tab. It will not close the present tab they are in. It will open in another tab. So that's why you have to click here, open link in a new window or tab. Then you put your affiliate link here, your affiliate promotional page here, then they click update, so that when they come to your site, they click here, it will still take them to the affiliate product. The link here too is the same thing. You can type anything as your link. You can type anything here, like a call to action. Click here to see proof, okay? But you have to insert your affiliate link to this text, so that when they click it, it will also take them to the affiliate page. So when you highlight the text like this, you also click the same thing here, insert and edit link. The same process, you put your affiliate link, open a new tab, you click update, and it goes. That is how to hyperlink your text so that they will click and go to your product. Now let me preview it. You can actually, this is now the link. This is the link to this product. Okay, this is the web this blog link to this product, but as you can see, it is too long because of the headline. The link is too long, so you can get short link here. Click here and then you copy this. This is the short link. Okay, let me copy it. This is the short link to this blog that I've just created. Or you can just click preview. Once you finish your blog, you see a link somewhere here that says publish. You click publish and your blog is published. So when you come back again to edit anything, what you are going to see is update. You click update so that your corrections or whatsoever things you edited there will be updated. Okay, but when you are creating a new blog, what you see here is publish. After editing everything, you click, after typing and putting everything, you click publish and your blog will go live. You can click here to preview your blog. Okay, this is the blog. This is the blog. You see how it looks? 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 So this is the link. This is how you create your blog. Now if somebody comes to this page and click this image, it will take them to the product. Okay, if they click this text, it will take them to the same product. Okay, because I embedded the affiliate link to this image and also to this call to action text. So you can watch the video, close it. You can watch the video to see how it works. The next product is this list rush. If you click this image, it will take you to the page to get the product. These are the earnings. Okay, let me just give you an example. Click it, it will take you to the product. If you also click this link here, it will also take you to the product. And the last one is this banger method. If I click this image, it will take me to that page. Remember, I embedded my affiliate link to that image. Or you click this text, it will also take you to that product. So that is that. I believe I've been able to achieve my aim of showing how to create your blog in GDI. Thank you so much. I remain yours, CJ Emmanuel.